Hello and welcome to another little tutorial here today. It is Creator again, and I'm on my laptop today, so I hope this does not influence the aspects of the video at all. Let's get rid of that. Alrighty. Today I'll be just covering the whole the new DigitalOcean. Well, it's not new, but the new site, and basically a review, because I don't think I really ever done a review of DigitalOcean, so I want to go ahead and do a review. Alright, so I'm going to head over to DigitalOcean, where I will therefore explain the rest of my video. Alright, so the site's loading, there we go. This computer seems to be running a little slow today, but again, I'm on my laptop and not my desktop. Alright, so as you can see, we have DigitalOcean. It's a very nice site, a lot better than what it used to be when it first came out. Yeah, it came out Thursday, I think it was. But they have done a lot of work to it to fix it up because there were a couple problems with it. So I want to go over a couple key things here. So DigitalOcean is very nice. What we can do is we can deploy an SSD cloud server in 55 seconds, and we can also learn more. So DigitalOcean is very nice. We have something. They have basically a provisioning system set up, so when a person creates a new VPS, it creates their VPS on a dedicated server, and they have multiple dedicated servers in one data center, and then they have multiple data centers. I'm pretty sure there is about 5 now. Don't hold me to that, but I'm pretty sure there's about 5. So basically, DigitalOcean is a startup network. It's helping all small developers and actually small businesses create their site and get known on the web. That's very nice. I have created multiple projects with DigitalOcean. I really recommend them. So as we can see, we're going down here. We can see what the control panel looks like. Very nice control panel. And we can go ahead and replay that if we want to, but I'm not going to. And then we can see developers love us because they are made for developers. Go through them. Yep. Alright, so then I can just go down here, and they've been seen on multiple areas here, and then we can say we can deploy one now. But I'm going to go ahead and look at the pricing real quick because this is something that needs to be addressed. So it's the same for monthly and hourly. It's going to be the same. So basically, for monthly, it's just $5 a month for the starter plan, and then for hourly, it would be 0.007 cents an hour, which is great because you don't need a killer plan to get started with, and that's good. I mean, you can go ahead and start out with a small basic plan and then upgrade later. Then you can upgrade to whatever you need, so you're not paying for more than you need, because who wants to do that? And if you need a larger plan, they do have larger plans, which are these. And as you can see, hourly is a lot of money. But yeah, you're paying for what you're getting. And all servers come with an actual SSD drive, so that's great. And additional bandwidth transfer is 2 cents per gigabyte. And then down here, all plans will include SSD hard drives. That needs to be reported to them or something, because it's not called an SSD hard drive. It's called a solid state drive. It's not a hard drive at all. So anyways, we have DNS cert management, a 99.99% uptime, service agreement, and we have global image transfer. So if you create an image of your droplet, they're called, you can share them across all your locations. Then we have private networking in US, Europe, and Asia locations. And we can learn more about pricing in the help section, and we'll do that later. So we can look at our competitor pricing now. I mean, not ours, DigitalOcean's competitor pricing. As we can see, we're a lot cheaper. I mean, DigitalOcean's a lot cheaper. I mean, 2 gigabyte, 1.7, and 2. And look at the prices, 20, 40, 60, 87. So that's more than that's a lot of increase there. So we have 2 cents, 10 cents, 12 cents, and 18 cents. So per overage in gigabyte, if over 3,000, that's great. Look at that. Spin up time is 55 seconds, 2 to 3 minutes, 10 minutes or less, or 10 minutes or less. And a 40 gigabyte SSD, 96 gigabyte hard drive, 160 gigabyte hard drive, and 80 gigabyte hard drive. And then as you can see the source they got that from, which is all fine. And again, this needs to be addressed. And then we can see customers, one-click apps. We'll go ahead and look at customers, what the customers are saying, and just a bunch of customers with what they like about it. And we'll go ahead and go back up to the features so we can address the features real quick. So we can see the clean and easy to use control panel. Very nice control panel, I like it, but I think it needs to be updated to match their new site. It's still using the old version. But I do gotta say this site's really well laid out. And then we can see we can resize the server, we can do DNS management, we can auto backup, we have one-click application install, we have a web control panel, and we have two-factor authentication. Again, we is DigitalOcean, not me. So I'm just trying to give my opinion on this, but I don't know why I say we. I don't know, I like DigitalOcean, so. Anyways, so again, want to deploy an SSD? Well, you can do that. So, we have DigitalOcean has one-click apps, again, DigitalOcean. And as you can see, they're over here in the control panel when you go ahead and create a new server. They allow Ruby on Rails. Well, not allow. I mean, they have supported images for Ruby on Rails, WordPress, LampStack, Doku, Ghost, Docker, Mean, Redmine, and GitLab. I happen to like GitLab, Ghost, yeah, a lot of these. So yeah, and they also have a very nice API, which is here, but I'm not going to cover this. So then you can see their company statement, what they're trying to go ahead and do. I think they also released a new logo, or an updated logo, this one, but I like how they have these, you can see what they are. Alright, so moving on, we'll go ahead and go to the help now, and we can see their knowledge base. So if you're starting out with DigitalOcean, you need some help, here would be the place to come, or comment on my YouTube videos, because I help there too. So this is kind of like an FAQ basically. And then the community actually has their own little area. Getting started. Okay, this can be about how to go setting up your server. Feedback. They like hearing what you have to say, which is here. We'll go ahead and close that. The referral program. And you get $10 for every person that signs up. And total is $10 in billings. There's no limit, so that's great. Then on the community, there's a dashboard. This is where you can actually contact other people and see what they have to say, like so. And you can talk to people here about, looks like somebody's having an issue with FTP access and pointing subdomain to a specific directory, etc. And let's see, I'm going down here. And then we can see we got paid to write in IRC chat, so you can also talk to them. They're also on social networking. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account, and as you can see, they also have changed the login screen too, which is pretty nice. So I'm thinking they're about ready to come out with a new control panel. I hope so, but no guarantees. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here, and I'm presenting with my 3 droplets here. And it looks like there are issues with Singapore, which is fine. Does not affect me. So anyway, so when you first create your account, you're going to have to do some billing, and you're going to have to add a card, or you have to do a PayPal transfer, which is fine. So you can verify your account, and you also can get promotions. So make sure you Google that before you create one. So if I go ahead and create a droplet, I'll just go ahead and show you the aspect of it, how it works. So you're going to want to enter a host name. So it will be like something.yourdomain.com. Not .com, but .com. There you go. And then I would suggest using the 512 one. It has a lot for what you actually think about. New York 2, definitely. That's what I would use for where I'm at. And it looks like Amsterdam 1 has been temporarily suspended because of the high demand. They have to go restock that. But yeah, so anyways, we can see our one-click installation over here. Over these applications, my images, my backups, destroy droplets. If you destroyed one in the past 24 hours, it will stay here, so you can always restore it. And then you can use an SSH key if you wanted. And then you can go ahead and use settings, private networking, enable backups. But enable backups, you have to usually pay for them, so I'm not going to go ahead and do that. So anyways, that's what we have going on here, and if you want bigger plans, just press the one that goes to the right and you can see this one. And I think they did have bigger plans, but it looks like they removed them. So anyways, so basically overall I like DigitalOcean. I like what they're trying to do. They're trying to help out all the developers, which is very nice. It's unmanaged, but if you know what you're doing, you should be able to understand how to exactly use it. So yeah. As you can see, you get some cool little graphs here, so you can see what exactly the usage is, CPU, and that's about it. So thank you for watching this, and basically I was just trying to review their new site and try to get people informed of what DigitalOcean is. So thank you for watching this, and this has been another tutorial.